guys, it's Arielle Fox. Welcome back to my channel, and it is hot. It is hot again. Just like last week, it's been so hard to set up to do a video. I'm actually dripping and I've only set up one light today, which is ridiculous. If you watched my video last week, you will be probably waiting for this week's video, which was supposed to be me talking about the reasons why I stopped modelling. It's way too hot to sit in this room for long enough to actually go over everything I need to go over. So I'm hoping it'll cool down sometime in the week, and maybe I'll do it on a weekday afternoon or something instead this week. So today I'm going to be doing a magnetic eyelashes review. Before I get into my review, I just want to say if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe below. It will help me out lots and lots and lots. I post lots of videos like this, and yes, I know I keep saying it, but my reasons why I quit modelling video will be coming, I promise. So let's get into today's video. Today's video is going to be all about magnetic eyelashes. Now, I am not a massive eyelash wearer. I find they're so uncomfortable and they just itch and scratch my eyes all day, and they're so fiddly to put on, and I end up getting like glue all over the place and then glue all in my makeup, and it just looks an absolute wreck and I can't be bothered with it. Never heard of magnetic eyelashes before. Yeah, I know, but you're probably thinking, oh my god, really? They are so new to me, and please let me know if they're also new to you and drop me a comment below so I feel less alone in this. But these things are really new to me. I've never tried them before. I found this company on Instagram. They're called Nicola Cosmetics, and they had a few videos of girls putting them on. I have to try some and see what they're like, because I love the effect that fake eyelashes give. I wore these ones. I wore the more natural ones all day at Legoland yesterday. Standard like the heat trial of being out in the hot all day. It was absolutely scorching. They were just perfect all day and looked flawless all day, so they definitely work. They come in these cute little packets. I have this one, which is Beauty Blossom, which is the more natural one, and then I also have Spicy Scarlet, which is more of a party time one. I'm not wearing either of these now. I'm going to actually put them on this video and show you what they look like, and obviously what it looks like without them. I've tried not to go too heavy on my makeup today, just so you can see like the full effect of what they look like. I also got a new palette with glittery eyeshadows, so I did put a lot of that on today. The other nice thing about these eyelashes is they're vegan friendly. They're 100% natural, haven't been tested on animals or anything, which is a big plus for me. Each purchase you put through on their site, they donate a meal to the homeless as well, which is really good. Beautiful, keep animals safe, and also help the homeless, which is all good in my book. So let's open this one and have a look. This is the Beauty Blossom, the natural one. So on the back here is just the instructions, and then this is what the front of the box looks like. It's really cute, really easy to carry about. I took it out with me yesterday just in case I decided that I was wanting to take them off or they were annoying me, but they didn't. They were amazing and I kept them on all day, so I didn't need to take the box out in the end. Inside here you get a cute little mirror to put your lashes on, and then you also have your little lashes. Like I said, I love this little box. It's really handy to take out and about. And if you're going to work, maybe you want to wear these light ones to work and you want to wear the party ones in the evening, so easy just to chuck in your bag and take them out with you. These are the eyelashes up close so you get an idea, and then you just literally put your finger and thumb on the eyelash and then gently rub against the eyelash, and you can pull the bottom bit off. And this little tiny bit is the bit that goes underneath the eyelash when you put them on, and then this long bit is the bit that goes on top. Please excuse me if you already use these and you know how to use these and just came here for like a review of this brand. Go through all the steps just in case you are new to these like me, or if they're different from ones you've used before or whatever. Then they just basically just clip on. And the same on the other side. There's a magnet on the other side, and you just slide your finger against your thumb and you can just pull that little bit of eyelash off there. Putting these on, you can either use your fingers. I use my fingers. I find that it's way less fiddly and easier. I was dropping them accidentally when I was trying to use tweezers. I'm terrible with tweezers. And the other thing about using tweezers, they are magnetic. They do get stuck to my tweezers when I was trying to put them on with my tweezers. But that's probably because I'm just terrible at being a girl. I'm not very good at that sort of thing. So if I can do these, anyone can do these. On the packaging it says to put like the bottom one on first underneath the lash, and then sort of like hold it there, close your eye, and then put the top on. And in the videos it looks much easier, but when I tried to do it, I couldn't do it very well, and it's probably just me. I get funny about things going too close to my eye and then freak out. So I've just moved around so you can see me putting them on a little bit closer. The light is changing in my room because I haven't got all my lights set up, so I've just had to change my light around a little bit so you can actually see me getting the first lash and get the little lash is. Mini underneath ones. And then just literally just put them under. So this is what the Beauty Blossom ones look like on. So these are the less intense ones. I'm going to try the other ones on next, and they are these ones, Spicy Scarlet. I'm really looking forward to trying these. I haven't tried these yet. You can see already just inside the box, these ones are much thicker and heavier. I'm really looking forward to seeing what they look like. Before I put on the other ones, I need to take these ones off, and to take them off you literally just pinch the lash and then slide the underneath one off. Like that. On the other side you can see that underneath bit has come in attached now, and then you just slide together and then off. Because they're so easy to slide on and off when they're on your eyes and you've got them like positioned slightly wrong, you can just literally just slide and then push them down to position in the right place. Let's try these ones. Just as easy as that. There's the first lash on. Here are the Spicy Scarlet ones. I love these ones, they're proper like party lashes. I'll be taking lots and lots of pictures of these. There already are a few on my Instagram, so if you head to my Instagram you can go and check them out. Even though these lashes are much heavier than the other ones and much thicker, they are still so comfortable. I almost can't tell they're there. They are so easy to wear and I'm looking forward to wearing them out and about. I'm going to try and do a little quick video of like a close-up of me putting them on. When I've got more time and it's not as hot, I will be doing that. But today it was just so hot, I was just like, find the most easy way to do it and to say some positive things about them because I absolutely love them. You can get these on their website. I will put the link in the description below, and if you use my code Arielle10 you will get 10% off as well, which is good. Don't forget, it also equals one meal for the homeless, and they are also vegan friendly. So if you're looking for your perfect vegan friendly lashes, these are your lashes. And they're not the normal throw it away sort of lashes. You can use them again and again and again. Thank you for watching my video. If you've enjoyed this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. I will be doing more of these and more videos like this in the future. Don't forget to also head down to my Instagram. I know I keep plugging it, but go and have a look and see what's going on there. You'll see like the new videos that I've got coming on. I will post some little teasers on there. I also do little polls on my Instagram story as to what video I should do next. So if you want to actually have a direct say in what I'm doing next, you can either drop me a comment below or head over there and vote on my videos. Thanks again for watching my video. I hope to see you next week. Goodbye!